switch on my flow. I'm getting money, but I want more. Yeah, yeah. Drip too hard when I come through. Black beats cool when I'm sunroof. How you a boss, you don't own.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh, and for those of you who are new here, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video to get you some free information to grow and excel your online business. Hey guys, so we are gonna hop right into this video. I've been wanting to do this video for so long because I myself was getting confused. It's kind of more of I was listening to what people were saying and it was confusing me, and it was bringing me to believe that Shopify was actually charging extra for shipping, and that really was not the case. Guys, so I know this video is well needed. It's well awaited because there's so much confusion going around with how Shopify shipping works. So this video is pretty much to clear up any confusion that you may have with Shopify's shipping and pretty much how it navigates. So of course I am using my YouTube planner here. These are available on my website, link in the bio, but I need this book so that I'm touching every point in this video. So if you see me looking down, I'm reading from my notes, which I've literally written a lot. Okay, so this video is pretty much to clear up the speculations that Shopify was charging more for shipping, like on top of the fee that you were paying to ship the package, that they were charging you more, which is definitely not the case. Shopify does not charge you any extra fees for shipping to the United States. Even to out of country, sometimes they don't even charge me. So this is how Shopify works. So Shopify charges us a monthly fee. The plan that I have, I am paying $29 a month to use their platform to host my website. So that's $29 a month that they are taking from my account. On top of the $29 a month, they are also charging us a extra 2.9% and a extra 30% per transaction. So this is probably what confuses people, because they literally think that when you get Shopify, you're paying the flat fee of $29, which is not the case, because they're charging you 2 extra charges, which is the percentage for the merchant, which is like hosting and accepting payments, and then they charge the extra 30% per transaction, so per sale that you make. So that is Shopify billing explained. There are no extra shipping fees, so hopefully this video clears up any confusion that you guys have about Shopify charging extra for shipping. Shopify shipping is absolutely free. Now, the way Shopify shipping is calculated can be very confusing. Like I told you guys in my previous video, they do calculate their shipping in a lump sum, which can be very confusing, especially when you're a small business, because you're shipping all these packages, and then you get charged like a $67 shipping fee, and you're like, what the heck? But it's actually just those shipping fees that you're shipping out. Those are just the fees calculated for the month or for that section for that quarter. If you guys are interested, you can definitely check out exactly what Shopify is charging you. Go into your Shopify account settings and you go to the billing page, and this will show you the breakdown of pretty much everything that Shopify is charging you for. And as you can see, shipping is going to be free. They're just pretty much charging you to ship the packages, which is what you charge your customers. So you should not be getting any extra charge on Shopify for shipping. How Shopify works: Shopify has its own built-in shipping tool, which is for merchant, which is for us, people who have online businesses, and this is a free service for us to use. A lot of people do add on pirate ship, but as you guys are going to see in a few minutes, I am going to insert a clip of me pretty much comparing Shopify shipping to pirate ship, and you guys are going to see it's the exact same price. And I also just wanted to let you guys know that Shopify billing, you can have it set up to where they're taking the payment out of what you make and it's not coming off of your credit card. So pretty much they never reach into your bank account. They're just withdrawing the money from the sales you've made, the money you've made, and pretty much the positive account that you have in your Shopify balance, your Shopify account. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the clip of me pretty much comparing the shipping just to clear up any speculation. As we can see, this customer ordered a Barbie phone case and a Boss Babe Saver in pink. So now with Shopify shipping, I am okay, let's just go to the Boss Babe Saver, and we're going to go to create label, but we're not going to actually create the label. I just want to see. I'm going to select the pink package, and then I'm going to weigh this package. 13 ounces and some change, so I'm going to put 14 ounces. Okay, so if we're using Shopify to ship this package for USPS first class package, we're going to go with the first one, which is the cheapest one, which is $504. We're not going to press buy. We're going to go over to import from Shopify, and as you guys can see, we have the order here, and I'm going to press get rates. Then we're going to enter the measurement. So it says 12 by 15. And the weight was 14 ounces. And we're going to put 14 ounces. And then we are going to get rates. Oh, wait. We have to we have to pick the padded envelope. Okay, so that's corrected. Now we're going to go to get rates. And as you guys can see, the cheapest packaging we have here is $504, and when you go back to Shopify, it's also $504. Okay, so as you guys can see from the clip that I just inserted, it's completely the same price. Like I said, I always say everybody has their own way of doing things. This is how I do things my way. I do use Pirate Ship, but as you guys can see, shipping with Shopify is the same as Pirate Ship. They both offer the same prices, discounted. I do see a lot of people using Pirate Ship, but on the Pirate Ship website itself, I've never done that. I feel like that's so much extra work where you have to copy and paste the tracking number. That's too much work for me. My business, I do get a few orders, so that's kind of hard to keep up with. I rather just do shipping straight from Shopify, where the orders and the tracking numbers are like immediately exported and people get their confirmation. That's how I like it. And maybe you guys could try it out. I don't know. Like I said, everybody has their different thing. Everybody works differently. What works for me might not work for you, but this is what works for me, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. So hopefully this helps you guys in your business, and hopefully it clears up any confusion that you guys have with Shopify shipping. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love making these business videos for you guys. I'm a mom of 3. I'm also a business owner, and I do a lot of different things. So just you guys subscribing to my channel and watching my videos supports me, and I appreciate all of the support. If you guys have any business recommended videos, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to make them for you guys. Like I said, I love sharing this knowledge with you guys. I did not have somebody, or like I did not have videos to educate me on starting my business. I did everything on my own, and through trial and error, I'm here to show you guys how I do my thing. So hopefully it helps you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day. Peace and much love.